Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall. Today we are back at a house in the Dominion. We've been here for a few months. There's been a lot of things going on. I feel like it's this old house where it's like 9 months and we're in the same place, but lots happening and it's very exciting. And today we are showing you some beautiful, the splash that went in, the countertop, which is actually a continuation of the splash, and these gorgeous mitered edges, which are going around all throughout the kitchen.
Right. So we're using the countertop as a splash as well. So it's a really nice look, and that the veins will match up. But then painters are also here painting, prepping the cabinets. We're going to be painted all white throughout the kitchen. And then, of course, where we're going to go to another spot in the house is really truly behind the drywall, because the drywall's gone. So
yes, and we made a discovery, or
a few discoveries.
I say we. He made a discovery.
So let's go over there. So on the way there,
take a look. Yeah, this is amazing. This is part of the backsplash in the kitchen. So the vent hood goes up here, and when that goes in, we'll show you that next time around. But it has these custom beautiful strapping around it, and it's a contrasting metallics, so it's going to be gorgeous. So we're very excited about that.
yes. So we're going to come around here.
Follow us
We
around.
the owner decided to make the guest room, guest bathroom more of like a sweet spa getaway type place. So in here, actually, there's going to be wallpaper on the wall and paint. But in the bathroom here, not a whole lot of light, but
Can I turn this on?
we can turn that on for sure, so that'll help a little bit. So we ripped out the bathroom here. We wanted originally to open up this wall, but we discovered a vent pipe in the way, which is one of those things you don't know until you rip it open. So we plan on
Hence
actually
the behind
the
the
drywall,
drywall.
because this was behind the drywall. So we're going to move this vent pipe out of the way so we can open up the shower. So we'll have a nice large glass panel here and then a glass door here. That was one of the things we discovered. Also, we wanted to put a niche on this wall, but the framing's in the way.
This will be the only time you ever see Mike and I in the shower.
Oh, so that's how it is in their family. So we got to reframe this wall so we can put the niche in here. What's really cool about this shower actually is we're going to have a ceiling that'll have indirect lighting. So lighting's just going to kind of wash down this wall, kind of give it that spa feel, which is what the owner is after.
Yeah, that niche that Mike's talking about. So the plumbing fixtures are going to stay where they are, which, by the way, is a really good way to keep you on your budget, is if you don't move all your plumbing lines around.
Right.
So this is where it was before. This is where it's going to stay. And then on the opposite wall, we want the niche to go, or the shampoo box, so the water's not shooting like right at it or off to the side. So it's a nice location. But like Mike said, there's framing in here. So in order to get something that's nice and linear,
And
we
symmetrical.
have to do a little work to
Just reframe it, that's all. It's just normal stuff.
make it look good.
Another cool thing that's going in here is, instead of a standard round drain in the floor, we're actually going to have a long linear drain
Yes.
that's going to go up against the wall, and the top of that is going to be tiles. So really, you're just going to see like a little tiny slit for the water to drain down. It's just a much more modern look.
It's going to be really pretty. So that was literally something that we discovered twice just in this small space that can happen when you start opening things up, things that you just don't know about. But it's normal.
It is
It
behind the
happens.
drywall.
It is. So we hope you enjoyed this little snippet of what we're doing on this particular project. And likely we will be here again next month. We will be here working. I don't know if we'll do our next segment here this
But we'll
month,
be here.
But anyway. So if you like what you see, please share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We love our viewers and followers, and it just keeps it going and exciting for us. And if there's anything you would like to see more of, please let us know and comment below.
Thanks.
So we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.